Hey, so today I thought it'd be fun to open up this box I got called the Mishibox, I think. And it's from FYE. They teamed up with Mishibox to bring you the best of Korean beauty. And I thought it'd be fun to have see what's in here too with me. So, yep. So let's get right into it. So this is Spring 2018. So yeah, I'm not sure why it's an older box. Probably because I went to the actual store of FYE and bought it instead of when it was available online. But this is information on all the 5 beauty products there is. So let's get right into it. So here's a Cereal Firming Mask Pack, and it's red bean, it looks like. So that'll be fun to use because I like using face masks. So that was only $2, it says. The most expensive one in here is the Green Snail Hydrating Gel. I'm not even sure exactly what this is, but here, it's not focusing. There we go. So, I don't know. I guess this is probably for your face.
Is it actually made out of,
Yeah, that's what I want to know. Is it, the snail extract from them?
No, because this said cereal firming, and it's spelled like cereal that you would eat, so,
I know. I'm just wondering. It's all, in Korean, so I'll have to look more into this. Oh, wait, here we go. I don't know. Leaf extract. Don't know if there's snail extract. I'll have to look into this more. But it says, take a dollop of cream and rub it literally on skin. Or liberally on skin.
Literally.
No, I don't know why I misread that. But yeah, so this was the most expensive one at $25. So, this was pretty much, paying for the box itself right here. So I'll have to try this. It must be good then, if it's more money. The third item is green tea facial cleansing tissues. So that'll be nice to have for, when you take your makeup off and whatnot. So that'll be nice. And I could probably use these. They're little pink, fruity, half-moon eyes. So I guess they're meant to go under your eyes and, clear up your bags or something. So,
when she described this to me, she said, it'll make you less tired. She didn't
say,
say,
I meant to say, look less tired.
And I was like, what kind of miracle stuff is this? Can I have some?
I know, right? Ugh, I wish it made you less tired, but it makes you look less tired. That's what I meant to say. And the last thing is pretty, funny to me. It's a milk jelly pack. Brightening and elicity, or however you say that, milk protein extract. So I guess this just goes on your skin as well. It's a little cute cow on there. So it's to soothe skin and protect skin from irritants. And that was $14. So yeah, that was everything in the box. So I'm excited to try everything. Hopefully it works all pretty good. It's stuff I'll definitely use, so that's nice. So yeah, I recommend getting one of these. Why not? It's just fun to open them and see what's inside. So, any thoughts on any of these products before we finish the video?
I'm still stuck on the snail.
Snail. I know. This is so weird. I wonder if it's actually snail in here, like the snail slime.
It genuinely might.
Oh, yes. It says snail secretion filtrate, or however you say that. Filtrate. So
it's good for your skin.
I think the slime of the snail is pretty much in here. But it's probably good for your skin, I bet. I could see that being a thing.
And one thing that she mentioned before we started the video was... if this was still good. It looks like this expires in 2021.
Yeah, I'm excited because I was like, oh no, it's from spring and this is fall now, so. But okay. Yeah, this will not expire for a little while, it looks like, so that's nice. So I'll probably use everything by the year 2021, so. Yeah, thank you so much for checking out the video, and we'll see you guys in our video. Bye!